air travel, the fastest way to get from one place to another, yet sometimes flights just vanish into thin air, leaving no trace behind. The intriguing world of missing flights is shrouded in mystery and unanswered questions. Join us as we count down the top 10 most mysterious missing flights in history. Starting with number 10, the Stardust, a British South American Airways Avro-Lancastrian airliner, mysteriously vanished over the Andes in 1947. The flight had been en route from Buenos Aires to Santiago, its fate becoming an aviation enigma. Despite extensive searches, no trace of Stardust was found until 50 years later. Moving on to number 9, the infamous Amelia Earhart's Lockheed Electra. Earhart, a celebrated aviator, embarked on a daring round-the-world flight. Yet her journey abruptly ended in mystery. The disappearance of Amelia Earhart remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of the 20th century. Number 8, 7, and 6 are flights that vanished without a trace, leaving behind only speculations and unanswered questions. Taking the 8th spot is a flight that was en route from Sydney to Dallas, a seemingly routine trans-Pacific trip, until it disappeared over the vast ocean. Despite extensive searches, nothing was ever found. All that remains are theories, from alien abductions to a sudden plunge into the abyss. Number 7 is a flight that left the vibrant city of Miami, heading towards the historic city of Rome. It vanished somewhere over the Atlantic, leaving no trace or any distress signal. The mystery of its disappearance still haunts the aviation world. The 6th position is held by a flight that departed from Beijing to Jakarta. The plane and all its passengers disappeared over the South China Sea, a hotbed for aviation mysteries. Its disappearance sparked a myriad of theories, but none that could bring closure to the families left behind. Despite advanced technology and extensive searches, these flights remain missing, fueling countless theories and speculations. As we move closer to number 1, the cases become even more intriguing. Let's dive into the mysteries of flights number 5, 4, and 3. At number 5, we find a flight that vanished over the infamous Bermuda Triangle. Despite modern technology and numerous searches, no trace of the plane or its passengers was ever found. The route it took and its sudden disappearance continue to baffle experts. Moving on to number 4, we have a flight that disappeared without a trace over the vast Pacific Ocean. The flight was on its usual route when it suddenly vanished from radars. Despite extensive search operations, no wreckage or signs of the plane were ever discovered. At number 3, we find a flight that was lost over the Atlantic Ocean. With no distress call and clear weather conditions, the sudden disappearance of this flight remains an enigma. The plane simply vanished, leaving no clues behind. These cases remind us of the vastness of our planet and the many secrets it still holds. At number 2, we have the haunting case of the Bermuda Triangle's Flight 19. This flight, with a seasoned crew at the helm, embarked on a routine journey, following a well-trodden path. Yet, in the blink of an eye, it vanished, leaving not a whisper of its passing. Despite exhaustive searches, no trace of this flight has ever been found. The Bermuda Triangle, a place of many mysteries, swallowed Flight 19 without leaving a trace. And finally, at number 1, the most mysterious case of all, the disappearance of Malaysia Airlines Flight MH370. Taking off from Kuala Lumpur, destined for Beijing, this flight vanished in March 2014 with 239 souls on board. Despite extensive international search efforts, the plane's final resting place remains elusive. Countless theories have attempted to explain its disappearance, but the truth is, we're still in the dark. The disappearance of MH370 is considered one of the greatest aviation mysteries of all time. From the Andes to the Bermuda Triangle, flights have been vanishing under mysterious circumstances. These 10 cases we've journeyed through today serve as stark reminders of the intrigue and enigma shrouding air travel. As we continue to explore the skies, one can only wonder what other mysteries they hold.